These Tesla taillights came out so good. Our customer sent us a render of his taillights with the hearts drawn in right here. And Garrett was able to cut out our acrylic and then make them fit perfectly in place. And we ended up putting hearts in there as well. They do light up red and white for brake and reverse, all three of them. Unfortunately, the customer will have to do some wiring because there's only a brake wire here and there's only reverse wires over here. So he's gonna have to run his brake wires from this side of the car into the trunk. And he's gonna have to run his reverse wires from the trunk into the side of the car. Gonna be a little bit of wiring, but it's gonna be worth it.